All right. It says we're live. Looks like we're live
iPad
again.
still says waiting for
Jeff is back.
back.
All right. I got a little bit of housekeeping I got to take care of here.
Okay, we're back. There's our buddies. Now, why is it telling me? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, the guys were saying maybe a gator got your internet connection.
All right. All right, Plutonium's back. Adam's back. My internet dropped out here at the house, guys. Sorry about that. But I got us back as fast as I could. Oh, we picked up 4 subscribers. We lost one and we got 4 back. So
all right.
Yeah. So we're starting we're going to call this the London Open.
Are you going to stay till the London Open, Bob?
Oh, what the hell? It's Martin Luther King Day, right?
My Lord. Oh, that's what I was saying when you lost your internet. I was like, it's almost 1 a.m., Bob. What are you thinking? Are you getting tired yet?
Actually, you know, that nice brisk walk around the lakes got me pumped up.
Oh, boy.
Uh-oh, got an Enigma on the 2s.
Long or short?
Short, long, excuse me. And it's actually in a PRZ. It's still developing. The PRZ is still developing. I'd like to see a pullback here. Of course, we do have we got a pink dot. We got a Smurf dot. No, pink dot in the Bollinger Bands on the 9s. I'm having to reconnect all my lovely stuff here. All right, you go back over there where you belong. You come down here where you belong. And it looks like now I just need to reconnect to Apex, which is where all my PAs are. That's right, Greg. What's a couple more hours?
Yeah. This thing just doesn't want to drop out. Remember, guys, I was saying before we got cut off there, this is why I don't play ranges, because, right? It's been playing out all night until I get in. Oh, funny stuff.
All right, folks, if you haven't already, hit that like button again. Starting over. All right. If I can get a moon touch on that Enigma, I might go long. But right now, I'm just going to hold tight. I mean, we do have a strong buy condition on the Mac VU, but I'm looking at that pink dot on the 9s way up in the Bollinger Bands. I'm also looking at a new red dot on the 24s. And I still like the idea of hitting the prior close, retouching the gold line, and possibly jumping out of the open range and hitting 21,622. Look at that. That Enigma is going back to the top of the range. Follower account entered 3 trades when I entered 1 trade with the leader account. The follower auto liquidated when NQ dumped. Oh, that sucks. Let us know what happens there, Adam. Coming up on king timing on the 2s.
Hey, Greg, the Mac VU, make sure, what's the timestamp on that? Here, let me check it.
I got
Sometimes
it. It's 12:47, so 11
good.
minutes ago.
All right, good. Just because sometimes it stops working when it's a computer, right? So it needs to be rebooted sometimes on the weekends.
So let me ask you: can you guys read? You can't read that on the screen because I'm showing it, but can you not? Can you not read the time?
I didn't even see it. It says, yeah, it shows the time. Yep, you're good.
Okay. You know, no, because that would have knocked out the computer and the screens. No, I did not. I did not. But you made me look. No, cat's not in here. Cat's down there with mom. Mama's home, so the cat's with mama. All the dogs and the cats and the daughter are with mama.
Oh, I'm hearing buyers.
Why am I not hearing buyers? Did that work? Or do I need to reset everything? No, it's still working. Coming up on king timing. The Enigma took target.
Jason, yeah, I'm in a short. I've been in it for far too long. It's only a micro, though. I was trying to play this range we've been stuck in, and then it didn't really work. It's not wanting to drop out. I'm holding, though. The chart I'm trading on is, we're in a red shark right now, so I'm hoping we drop out of that.
Oh, you've got micro charts open.
Yeah, so basically it's the MACV chart, the 9s, but on the MNQ. And I've got the trade. Yeah, and so I'm trading that.
Understood now.
So we got that pink dot on the regular MACV. I see it on your screen too. So hopefully that sends us south here. Hearing buyers.
Well, for what it's worth, 30% of the folks on Apex are short.
Yeah, I think that's still broken though.
Yes, it did, Greg. I was hoping it
on the 89.
All right, we got a pink dot on the 89s. Right at the 50.
Really?
Yeah. Right after completing a full 89 bar north long.
All right, Jeff says 39% short on Top Step X.
Yeah, I misread that. It's 12. It was strong buy at 12.12. So about a little bit under an hour ago. I read 12.47. The 47 were the seconds.
We pierced the pink dot on the 9s.
Yeah, but
Right.
there's a developing PRZ right above it. The algo matrix is starting to peel back a little bit. It did pierce the
NQ on the 2.
didn't pierce the pink dot on the 89s, but it did pierce the red dot, but then it came right back below it. Another red red ready up on the 2s.
All right, let's drop out of here. Let's go.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24. Double delta NQ on the 5.
All right, I'm hearing sellers. Oh man, I'm already yawning. I'm half asleep, guys. I'm not gonna make it.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Oh, you can hang in there.
Order submitted.
Oh
no.
man, I am froze up.
What?
I got to reboot, guys. Got to reboot. Guessing whatever happened hung up my all my stuff as well.
Bummer.
All right, so we'll do a safe start. Oh,
Greg got himself another pizza.
well, this ain't good. There it goes. Greg got another pizza?
I think it's a virtual pizza. Target's
Oh, okay. Which way was he going?
Short.
Okay.
Target's filled on that short.
All right. So that's done. We'll do the clean sweep.
I gotta pay. That was my Forrest Gump impersonation.
Okay, starting to populate. Let's see if we can roll with this. Let that finish populating. Looks like it's all there. And that's there. Let's see if we can go live. All right. So I am in a long, apparently. That's not good. Open up my other stuff.
Hey, Gardy. Yeah, we had a little bit of a hiccup. Bob lost internet, so we're just now getting everything back up and running. But yep, still going.
Man. I think it froze again.
Oh, no.
All right. Yeah. Let's see if it catches up. There we go. Did it catch up?
Look like it.
Okay. I am long. Not quite sure how I got long, but okay. Looks like it's just sim. Naturally, right?
Make sure your copier is off so that when it hits targets or the stop, it doesn't put you in other trades in your other accounts.
Gotcha. That was a nice sound. I'm just going to go ahead and close this. There we go. All right. I am back in action.
All right.
So wake your ass up.
No, I don't know, man. Oh, I'm hearing buyers.
Where are your buyers coming from? Where's your audio box connected?
On the NQ.
NQ or the MNQ?
NQ.
Okay, because I'm not getting that signal. All right, did that work for everybody?
Hit your test button, see if you can hear it.
I can hear it. I just hit it.
Hmm.
Okay, I got to reconnect it. Let's see here. Properties. MACV. One more time. Let's see if we can do it now. Now it's working.
Man, oh man.
So we did hit the prior close on the ES. It's just
Look at Casey. Come on, Jesse, suck it up, Buttercup. I'm just pissed off. Every time I tried to take a range play, I told you guys this would happen. Every time. It doesn't work.
All right, Jeff, I'm going to do another test. I can hear it over here. I can see it on my audio mixer. Are you not hearing it over there? Barely. Let me go to my mixer. All right. Jeff, let's hear it now. How's that? Any better?
It'd probably be better if you turned it up, just the Ninja Trader part of OBS.
I did.
Okay.
Oh.
That way it doesn't get, because it'll get too loud in your ears if you do it in the Windows mixer.
Yeah. Still a bit faint. Okay, I'm going to drop it down back there to 15. And I'll minimize that, and I'm going to go over to OBS, unlock that, and we'll crank it all the way up, and we'll give it a shot. You tell me this is any better, guys. Was that any better? Okay. All right. I'm going to lock the volume on that one as well. Okay.
All right. Well, if this micro comes back to my entry, I'm just going to close it out. Looks like this thing is trying to drift back up to the open, maybe higher. I don't know. Okay, here we go. I'm hearing sellers. Seeing buyers. They bought it right back up.
The dollar is not working to your favor there, buddy. Jesse.
Was the dollar going up? Or down?
I got a doji candle, but it was going up, and it's not doing anything. The Bollinger Bands are throttling. The EMAs are coming together. The MACD is reversing on you. The RSI looks like it's reversing on you. I'll drop it down here. I don't know if you can see it yet. So anyway, those are 15-minute candles. Let's go take a look at the 5-minute candle. So it's just consolidating right there. All right, I'll shove that one back up out of the way. And we shall wait for another trade. Or we'll sweat Jesse on this one. On his. What's your entry, Jesse?
567. 567.25. I got in there way back on that, what was it, a fib dot or something that hit all the charts? I think. I can't remember my entry, to be honest. I think it was the fib dot, the red fib dot on all the charts. And then I was trying to play it back down to the bottom of the range we've been stuck in, and it never really got down there. We've been just slowly grinding up, very slowly.
All right. I'm willing it down. I'm willing it down.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going to go use the restroom. I'll be right back.
All right. I got it. All right, guys and girls, whoever's out there, we got 27 people in the chat, 11 likes, and 633 subscribers. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor, smash that like button. A little bit goes a long way, and we sure appreciate the help. Thank you, Casey. Appreciate everybody.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
Back into the Bollinger Bands on the 24s. Maybe that'll give Jesse a little bit of relief here. I just don't like that crab up there. Don't like that crab. That'll give him a lot of unnecessary heat before it retraces, and hopefully it'll retrace back to the 560 for him. We still have that pink dot on the 89s. Oh no, Casey. Oh, damn it, boy. Got to get that worked out. Yeah, it is. I'm actually using a much older version of NinjaTrader because every time I install the newest updates from NinjaTrader, okay. I hope so, Casey. Greg, did you update your NinjaTrader as well? I think they had a new release out over the weekend. I think I got the notice and I just put it on pause. No kidding, Casey. I love Max 2.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Oh, that's not helping. That's not helping, Jesse. Man, I was so afraid of that crab up there for him.
All right, I'm back.
That didn't stop you out, did it?
No, it's just a micro, so I've got some room on it. But yeah, now it's yeah, it's down $20. Nice. I only wanted to make $20. Oh man. Yeah. See what I mean? Every time I try to play these ranges, it's like it'll be range bound for 3 hours, and finally I cave in and say, all right, I'll take a short. It just goes up. I miss anything here? Let me see.
Not. Oh, you talking about in the chat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if I had some Reese's. Oh, anybody see
bands touch and cue
those
on the
new Reese's
24.
peanut butter cups with they're called lava something with the melted chocolate in the bottom?
Double delta NQ on the 1.
I need to get my hands on those. Yeah, this thing just keeps going. My lord. Where's Teapot? Teapot, you adding to this, or are you gonna get out? Curious.
Well, if Missile was here, he would tell you to be on the lookout for a masher play here.
Yeah, I mean it reversed the last few times we were up this high, so
You just got down divergence on the 9s.
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Got a red ready up at the resistance bands. It stalked you. That's right.
that's right.
It did crack the dot, the
bands
pink
touch
dot
NQ
on the
on the 44.
89s. And I think it's headed back for that prior close.
Yeah.
I don't disagree with you, Jeff. I think you got a lot of targets right there.
Yeah, which was funny because a few hours ago, that's what I was hoping for. I wanted to be long, targeting back up to the open and the high.
Yeah. So as you look here, here's my open range, and we've been consolidating in the middle of that. So if you look at the range, that's my open range. It really hasn't made its move to either
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
the top side or the downside. But if you're starting to look at this
Double
thing,
delta NQ on the 5.
we have a minus development area up here around 609, but before that you got the prior close, you have the retracement to the gold line, tonight's open, the top of the open range, 622 for the prior session point of control, and the prior session value area high. So a lot, to me, it's a target rich environment for the long side. But that's just me talking out loud. And I know it's not what Jesse wants to hear, but I just wanted to make you aware there, Jesse.
Yeah, it's no problem. That's why I switched from missiles to guns.
Yeah.
It is painfully slow, though, that's for sure.
Yes, it is.
I think I've dozed off like 3 times on you there, Bob.
I know. We heard you snoring. We heard you snoring. Here it comes. Let's go. Come on. Give them some relief.
Yeah, if it gets back to break even, I'm just going to kill it. Oh, I'm hearing sellers, but it didn't go nowhere.
No, it kind of absorbed it, didn't it?
Upper
Right there.
bands touch NQ on the 24.
Right there at the 50. Of course, you are in the... Come on, let's go.
Hearing sellers. Let's go.
Wake up, Jesse. Hey, George, what's happening, man? Yep, we are streaming. Second one. We did one late last night, and this is our very early morning stream. Internet kicked us out, so it was purely by chance that we have 2 streams tonight. Oh, man. The markets will remain open till about 1 p.m. Eastern. Hoping we can start kicking. We start kicking here.
Double
in a
bells
minute.
touch NQ on the
There we go.
24.
Another double delta on the 5s. Red, by the way. And you got a double delta red on the 9s in the Bollinger Bands on the 9s. Does not look like the MACVU has updated anything recently. And if I truly had my plutonium representation on my workspace. Hey, plutonium, what are you showing the MACV on your charts? Do you have that open on yours, or are you looking at your phone?
It's just been too slow to switch the Mac VU over. They're all green. I guess they're all green. That's my guess. It's just been the other instruments don't move at all at night. So
I got you, Plutonium. So Plutonium keeps, and I had it, and I still have a workspace. My it's at the top of the green on the 9s. Plutonium keeps the MACV open for all 4 of the nerds.
Yep.
And that's actually coming in handy tonight. You know what? I think I might just do that just for tonight. Let's see here. Let's see if we can do this with minimal impact. I think I need 450. Here we go.
Yeah, George, I checked it out, but it's promising. I want to use it, but the problem is I think there's a little bug when you turn on the delta shift. It makes all the double deltas red, even when they're supposed to be green. So I think it's just a programming bug, but I can't wait to use it once that's resolved.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
Man, this thing I think it's gonna just keep grinding back up there.
Unfortunately for you, I think you're right. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, and I hate to be that guy. I just think you have way too many targets ahead of you there before it does its thing, you know. So right now the MACV would be in a moderate buy position. I'm going to keep this open. I'm going to save this.
Well, you're assuming those MACV charts you have there are set the same way the MACVU is calculating them, right?
Yeah, and I'm not quite there yet. So let me, that goes to 6s, but the other ones are set to 8s. So actually you're in a strong buy. They're all 4 by changing the ES to the 6s. Hey, Plutonium, we do keep the ES on the 6s, right? Yeah, Ben, I do too. I do too. And I have switched back to the 1s, the 2s, and the 5s. In the heat of in the faster time, yes, ES6. Okay, thank you.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
Jeez, there it goes.
44.
Man.
All right, so that took out the prior close. I made Plutonium. If you get a chance, do you know the day's data on those? Because I would like to get that set up on mine as well.
The days of data doesn't really affect the histogram part of those charts.
Oh, okay.
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
All right, so we just got a 14.3 AO on the ones, Jesse. Red.
Okay. I'm hearing
And
buyers though. I don't think anything matters now. We're grinding up. Momentum has definitely taken off in the long direction. Man, still buyers.
hey, George, every one of them are the same except for the one in the NQ itself. All right, so we're coming to the top of the AO.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
I should elaborate. The days of data loaded on the MACV charts will affect the deviation levels and the no fiddle zone sometimes, but it does not affect the actual moving averages, the 7 and the 25. Okay, so there's a white cross on the 3s. Late Nate, hopefully.
Just make sure that's not a plover there. I don't have the 3s open, Jesse, so I don't know where that if that cross is white.
It's white, yeah. White cross.
Is there a open PRZ above it?
No.
Okay.
Not on my 3s.
Just making sure it is not a plover.
Greg's gonna have to provide dinner all next week. Got another pizza. All right.
We did punch through the back of the crab on the 24s. My MACV is poised for a masher.
It is.
I'm going to take it. I'm going to see if I can grab a 10 and a 15. I'm just going to see if I can grab a real quick 10 and 15. Finger on the close. Not going to take a whole lot of heat here. Just a quick retracement back down. Because I believe in you, Jesse.
I'm getting ready to kill my micro trade for sure. I hear one more little rip of buyers, I'm out. If I can stay awake long enough.
Come on, you can hang in there. We're pulling for you.
I need those Reese's peanut butter cups with the lava chocolate in the bottom.
I hear you. That sounds really good, man. I am a big fan of Reese's peanut butter cups. Unfortunately, too big a fan. Come on, let's go.
Hey, there's Tapped. How's it going, bud?
Can you see it now, Jess? Plutonium? What's happening, Tapped? Good to see you, man. Come on. Come on. I was in this for moral support. Don't come back at me. Here you go. Come on. Let's go. Drop it like a hot potato. Ah, man, I was just trying to get a quick 10-15 bag here. Looks like I'm going to give up a 10 and a 15 bag here.
Could get that gold line reversal off the open too, though. I don't think I'm going to hold it that long, though.
Definitely not.
Yeah.
I am definitely not.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
Got a red delta, blah, blah, blah. What? No, don't move that stop, boy. Don't move that stop. Quit touching that thing. Not liking it. I should really get out of it now.
Oh, there it goes.
All right. I'm moving my stop. All right. I am moving my stop and I'm looking for a
Upper
DCA.
bands touch NQ on the 24.
I mean, last time we were up here on the MACV, we dropped out. So
Yeah. Yeah.
And coming up on that gold line.
Yeah. Not sure I like that, Greg.
Upper bands touch
I'm
and
really
bands
not
touch
liking
NQ
it
on the
now.
24.
Oh my God. Look at this thing rip. Dude, what was I thinking?
What was I thinking? Holding it this long. Jeez Louise.
All right. Not good. Not good. All right. Yeah, we got the gold line. It took out the gold line. Dude. It did everything I said it was going to do, but here I am. Yet here I am short with you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Well, we all started talking about the masher play. It looked juicy.
And still, it looks even juicier now.
Yeah, it's way up there.
I'd like to hear some sellers. I don't
That's
want to see
the
a
work.
bounce.
We're right up where we were on the open when we got that rip up right
All right,
on the
here it comes.
open.
Order submitted.
All right, I just added one contract. What did I add? Oh, I added a St. Louis sauce there. I added a Jesse. That's what I should have got in with. Come on. A red arrow would be nice.
Upper bands touch
Come
NQ
on,
the
let's
24.
go. Come on, drop it like a hot potato. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Oh shit, we just got a freaking Smurf dot.
Oh boy.
All right. How much am I down here? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Where was my entry on that? 98.75, so I'm right back to where I entered on my second trade. Come on, let's go. Pierce that dot. Pierce that dot.
Casey's about to pull a Jesse and start cursing.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Let's go. Drop it like a potato. Drop it. Drop it. Like every woman in the world has done except for one.
Oh, man.
Coming up on King Timing. Come on. You can do it. Oh, yeah. There you go. I like that sound. Come on. No, 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 no. You're headed in the right direction. Come on. You can do this.
Yeah, give us a four-legged dog trap here. Come on.
Come on. Come back down to the zone. Come on back down to the zone. I believe you, Ben. I believe you. So, Casey, what I do in that case is I just uninstall the most recent version and then reinstall, go back to, hopefully you still have the previous version saved on your downloads, and then reinstall that. If not, you can go back to NinjaTrader, the download tab, and you can find the older versions. Okay, so yeah, so all you have to do is go back and reinstall, uninstall the one you just installed, and then reinstall the older version. Unfortunately, you're going to have to redo. You'll end up having to do the next, click here, next there, and oh, Jesse, I should have bailed on this. Come on, let's go. Come on. Dude.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
Wanting to rip.
Yes, it is.
I'm hearing them.
Come on. Every single time. Everything is telling me to go long, and what do I want to do? I just want to play the reverse. Come on.
Okay, hold on. It might be trying to turn around. Ay, ay, ay.
See, this is exactly what I did the other night, Jesse. Exactly what I did the other night. Oh, why do I do this to myself? Why, oh, why, oh, why?
Yeah, me too. At least I got mine's only a micro, so thank goodness. It's in repair mode tonight here.
Yeah. Aren't we always in repair mode?
Not always. I mean, I've had some pretty good Asian sessions.
That's right, Casey. Nothing to see here. Come on.
I heard a seller.
I did. I did. I heard him too. I heard him. He was there. Come on. Let's go.
Here's king timing on the threes.
Yes.
One more bar and we hit it. Heard sellers didn't get a bar. That's
Yeah, that thing.
Yeah.
It's coming back down. Ben's got it right. Ben's always right. Hey, David, anytime, man. Glad you could hang out with us.
George, one contract is the gateway. Yep.
Yeah. And it was the gateway to 3. Uh-oh, coming up on a shark on the 2s. Very small shark. Come on, blow through the back of that shark. Come on. Give it up.
Harmonic NQ on
Give
the
it up.
Upper
Give
bands
it up,
touch
baby.
NQ
Let's
on the
go.
44.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
All right, my average entry is 587.25.
Come on.
If we
let's
get
go.
there, I'm just gonna kill this thing.
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Ugh. That just turned into a super shark.
Uh-oh. I hear a buyer, I'm killing it too.
Probably not a bad idea.
Come on, give us a 4-legged dog trap on the way
Come on.
down. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Greg's trading mint pizzas.
Let's go. Let's go. Dip it. Drop it. Push it down. Way down. Do the hokey pokey. No, 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 no. The other way, dumbass. I didn't mean to call you dumbass, Market. You're not a dumbass.
Yeah, you're my first love.
That's right.
Be good to me.
Come on. Come on. Really love to see 580.
All we gotta do is start hitting the stops of everybody who bought that rip up, right?
That's right.
They're not gonna stay in it if we can drop out a few more ticks here.
Yeah.
Come on, give us one little leg down.
Come on, let's go. Do it.
Go.
You can do it.
Well, they're buying it back up. Oh my goodness.
Ben says it's going back up and it a little and back down. Watch. Okay. Hope you're right, Ben. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Good idea, Greg. Don't give it back.
All right. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Nice push. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Come on. Let's go. Come. No, no, no. Come on. Let's go. A little bit more. Let's go. Break it. Break it. Drop it. God, you're just like my dog sitting there looking at me stupid. Come on. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, there we go. Let's go. Let's get a stop run now. Come on.
Order filled.
We just hit the bottom of the green channel on the 3s. We got a long ways to go to hit the bottom third of the channel on the 9s. So
Come
let's
on.
go.
Come on.
Come on. Keep it going. Keep her going.
All right.
Order filled.
Hit my second target. I got one target left.
Keep
Let's
going.
go. Let's
Upper
go.
bands touch NQ
There
on
we
the
go.
44.
Keep going.
All the way back across, boys. All the way back across. Now I'm just getting greedy, aren't I?
I know. I'm trying not to. I said I was going to kill it at my entry price, and now I want to see green.
I want to play it like a masher all the way back across the MACV.
That'd be nice. We got that red arrow that Ben kept talking about.
Yep. Don't stop me out. Yep. All right, I'm out. All right. Dude. All right.
Good job.
I got all my money back plus 150 bucks. I am 150 bucks to the green.
So it's bouncing off the 200 on the threes.
I don't care now. It's all yours. No more sympathy trades. No more sympathy trades. Come on, drop it like a rock. You were right, Ben. You were right. Did you take off any?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Nope. I was hoping for one more leg down here.
All right, you got a red dot on the 2s on the 200s. Come on. Let's go. I can't remember what you said your break even is. Is it 280? I mean 580?
It's covered up by the price tag right now. I don't remember exactly what it is. Hold on a sec. I mean, we're right on it. Come on, drop, drop, drop.
I was really hoping that was a trap and it was going to race all the way back across that zone.
Come on. If we could just break this 200 EMA on the threes. Let's go.
And you just bounced off the 200 EMA on the 2s.
Oh, I'm seeing a blue bar on the threes. Come on. Let's drop out of here.
Come on. Plutonium says 587 and a quarter.
Yeah, is that where I was at? Yeah, I think he's right. Yeah. Good memory. Yeah, it's starting to bounce. I think I'm going to kill it. I was hoping to drop down to the other side of the masher levels. Blue bars on the 9s too. Oh, I don't have my bars aren't colored on the 9s. They're just all white.
I think he's talking. Hey Ben, are you talking about on the MACV, or are you talking about the actual blue bars on the 9s in the chart itself?
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Okay, I just got a red dot on the 5s on the 50.
Yeah, shoot. It looks like it's bouncing. I think that red dot's gonna get pierced here. I hope. No, I mean I don't hope. I hope it holds.
Yeah, he's talking about the blue bars, the dark blue bars on the MACV. He's telling you the masher is in play.
Oh. Nah, they're trying to buy it back up here. This was just a little pullback in this up move. I don't know.
Double delta NQ
Yeah,
on the
I'm
1.
killing it. I'm killing it. Hearing buyers over and over and over. I'm out. Lost
Are you?
40 bucks. Yep, 40 bucks.
All right.
Darn.
Well,
So I gave back 2 of my micro trades from earlier. I made 20 bucks on each of them.
Dude, sorry about that, man.
No problem. I'm better off than I was when I started the night.
Yeah, well, I was down 350. I was up a little bit, and then I was down 350, and now I'm up 150 for the night. I'll take it.
There you go. There you go. All right, I can't hold it together any longer, folks. I gotta go to sleep.
All right, Jesse. Well, thanks for coming out. I'm gonna hang out for a little while. I mean, what the hell's another hour?
I'm gonna keep the stream on my iPad and keep an eye on you guys until I conk out.
Make sure that we behave here.
That's right.
All right.
All right. Well, stay safe. Be green, folks. We'll see you tomorrow. And,
All right, Jesse.
for those of you in the U.S., have a great holiday and a day off if you've got one.
All right, 8:30 tomorrow night. We're rescheduling our start times for 8:30, and it seems to be working better for me at least.
All right.
I'm not hearing any complaint. I mean, we may start early tomorrow because you're home, right? You're home all day.
Yeah, I'm off. So whenever you want to start, I'll join in.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I may do that. I may get an early start, and then if John's here, let you guys go late, and then come back in. Tomorrow, Tuesday is going to be a real busy day for me. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll talk. I'm sure we'll be talking throughout the day.
Yep. All right. Well, thanks for having me, and good to see you all. And we'll talk tomorrow.
Go get you some sleep, buddy.
Yeah. See ya. Bye.
All right. Bye. All right, folks.
Touch NQ on the 44.
It's just me again. We got 33 people in the room, and we got 16 likes. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We lost another subscriber. We got one, and then we lost another one. Then we got one back, and then we lost another one. I think Missile Silo's up having fun with us. Oh, God. Hey. Maybe a good thing he got out of that trade. Hey, folks, I'm going to go for another quick walk around the lake. I'll be back. It's been a couple of hours since the long one. If y'all can, hang tight. I will be back, and hopefully a little bit fresher than I am right now. I'll be back in just a few.
Double delta NQ on the 2. J hook long NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 5.
All right, guys, I'm back. And I am looking at a J-hook long on the twos. Still got the red arrow, but a green background on the MACD. All right. Just waiting, Ben. I am just waiting. Sounds like a good idea to me. Looks like we're testing the gold line again. Couple of developing PRZs down around the entry zone on that J-hook long on the twos. MAC VU is still strong buy, still from 12.12, but looking at my screens, everything is, all the backgrounds are green. Waiting for an entry on the nines. Come on.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Hearing some sellers, but it looks like absorption. Looks like we engaged the butterfly and the Gartley. Coming up on king timing on the twos. Still in the J-hook long. Has not retraced to the entry zone. I know some people out here, they play it down to the entry zone and then flip it around and take the long.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
There we go. Down in the entry zone we go. All right. So is this the reversal on the trap, or is this going to flip and go long? I don't think I have enough information either way. All right. Just waiting. See how far down this rabbit hole it comes back. That was the second retest of the gold line. Do we get a third at 21,600? Roger that. Just going to be patient. If I get a trade, I'll take it. If not, I'm not going to take it.
Upper bands touch
There it
NQ
goes.
on the 44. Harmonic NQ on the 2. Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Got a shark on the 2s. Green shark on the 2s. I think that was my entry. I think that was my entry point. I think we're going to get a third retest of the gold line. Definitely could have grabbed my 10 and 15 bag out of that. $2.30, bottom half of the hour. Yeah, I think it's going to punch it now. Not going to FOMO into this one.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
All right. There it goes. Target 1. Right up to target 2. 13.9. Red AO on the 2s. Ben, are you waiting for the reversal, or did you play that? That's weird, Casey. That's weird. You know, I've been ignoring that update. I have been ignoring that update. Maybe I need to just go ahead and do that. I think I'll do that before the morning session.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
There you go. Tap. Good job. Ben, you're waiting for the reverse. Got a green arrow on the MACV. Assuming you're waiting for the corresponding red arrow. There you go, George. On our way up to take T3. Oh, I should have played that from the bottom of that shark. That turned out to be a really nice shark. That was my entry for that J hook long. Would not be surprised to see if it takes out that 21,622 on the volume profile. That would definitely lend its support. You can see punch through the prior close, tested once, twice, and on the third time it punched through the gold line. Is it going to hit the top of the open range? Is it going to take out the 2162 and possibly the 639.5? We'll see.
Double delta NQ
that was my premise from an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. And we're coming back through that AO. Does it bounce off the 50? And we're in a red shark on the 2s. Let's Ben get his red arrow here. He did, Casey, and I don't know if I wrote him down. Let's see if I've got him written down somewhere. My wife cleaned up my office, so naturally I can't find anything. Sorry, Casey, I don't have it, but I do know that he did that. You're right. I think that's right. I believe you're right, Casey. I think he said 25 if you feel like living dangerously. I think the comment was it gets real interesting at 25. Hey, Nick. Welcome. Nope. What sleep? Who needs sleep? Hey, Darish. Yeah, Casey is definitely a walk on the wild side at 25. I remember him distinctly saying, "Yeah, it gets it gets real interesting with 25." Thanks, Plutonium. I think I've got a link to it. Now that you mentioned that, let's see if that works.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
Red Delta on the 9s.
Divergence down NQ on the 24. Upper bands touch NQ on the 44.
Target 3 on the J hook long. That completes that J hook. Still haven't taken out that naked POC or the top of the open range. Man. Ben, I hope you're right, but I'm thinking this thing's going long. Great job, Tapped. Hey, Plutonium, if you come back this way, let us know. I'll be there. All right, we got a red ready up on the 9s. We're in the Bollinger Bands. I am green all across the board. MACVU is strong buy. The unofficial MACVU is strong buy. No, Plutonium, I'm over in Florida. But just a hop, skip, and a jump.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
All right, we just got a headshot on the 2s.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
And there it goes. Well, come on by, man. Come on by. There you go, Casey. Why can't I just take my longs? Why can't I do it? I tell myself every single time what I think it's going to do, and it does it. But I sit here and I'm skeptical, and I just keep waiting for that reverse. Just keep waiting for that reverse. Look at this thing. It's going to the top of the open range. Then it's going to take out that naked POC, and it may even hit 639.50. Wow.
Fib
Double
delta
NQ on
NQ on the 2.
So we got a red dot on the resistance bar at 615-ish. Hearing absorption. Does it pull back and then rip? Does it pull back to the 50 and then rip? Or does it just keep on trucking? And Ben's sitting over there very patiently waiting for this thing to reverse. Oh, it's just getting absorbed. Came right out of that accumulation zone down below. Well, that's exactly what we're doing. We're skiing up against the Bollinger Bands on the 9s. Trust your gut, Bob. I'm just going to sit back and watch this one play out just to see if I'm right. All right, here's what I'm looking at, guys. I'm looking at the 24s. And I'm seeing the down divergence. We punched through the back of that, which is not unacceptable. I'm looking at the entry into this PRZ right here. We're in the Bollinger Band here. We dropped down. We came back up. We're back into the Bollinger Bands. I'm looking at them not throttling. So I'm seeing a little bit of expansion here. I'm looking at the bottom of this Bollinger Band widening at the top. Now I'm looking at the bottom Bollinger Band just chasing it. I'm looking at the amount of separation between the 50 and the current price. That's pretty stretched out there, guys.
Upper band touch NQ on the 4, double delta NQ on the 5.
All right, so it took out the naked POC, punched through the open range. Another pizza.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
And I think I just got an Enigma long on the NQ2. And I did, with a green dot. I'm sure there's a name for that, but I can't tell you what it is. Looks like I just got a continuation AO on the ones.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Just got a green dot on the 5s, along with the cross.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
At a red delta ready up. That Enigma took target. I'm liking what I'm seeing on the MacVU, but I'll tell you, man, I got burned here so many times last week. Everything said it's going to go south, but I'm telling you, I'm looking at this thing jumping out the top of the open range. I mean, this is the time. Again, we pierce through the gold line. We jump through the open range. We hit the POC. We got a naked value area high from the previous session at 639.50. Man, I'm used to, we got another path all the way up to the prior high right here at
Upper bands
680.
touch NQ on the 80. Upper bands touch NQ on the 20. Double delta NQ on the 2.
I'm really expecting this thing. Why I cannot take this thing? Yeah, I agree with you, Greg, but I don't know what that pullback's going to be. I'm seeing a path all the way up to 650. I'm seeing on the 89s, the prior high is at 82. So over here, let's take a look at this. So we had an ignition bar. We had that ignition bar right there. We're into the fourth bar. Does it continue up? Everything is supporting that it's going to continue up. I see it. I agree with you, Ben. But I'll tell you, last week, dude, I got smashed doing that exact same thing. I had the ignition bar. I had everything I needed to do it to take it long. I mean, to take it short, and it just continued to rock it up. And right now I'm seeing those same conditions. Thanks, Plutonium. Hey, you know, it's good to, I'm glad that we're at, you know, this is good discussion. This is really good discussion. You know what? If I talk myself out of a bad trade or a good trade, okay.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Double delta
I hear you, Ben.
NQ on the 5.
I'm such a contrarian. I just want to go. I want to go short here, but I know that everything that I've said has talked me into a long. And since I can't make up my mind, I'm just going to sit on my hands. All right, let's look at the twos. Whoops, not that one.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
Hey, Plutonium, I did not get that Enigma.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
All right, I will tell you, let's take a look at the fives here. It looks like we've got a Titanic zone on the fives. Is that making sense to anybody there, out there?
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Does it pop the top and reverse? Is this another Titanic zone on the 2s? We already know that this is an accumulation zone here. Does this give us one more push up out of here and then back down? That would be a sweet push. That would be a sweet pullback, Ben. Roger that, plutonium. You know, it's kind of like poker. You can't lose what you don't put in the middle. You can't win anything unless you... But, you know, keeping your money is just about as important as it is trying to make more money. Tell you what would be sweet is if we got a nice big old fat juicy pink dot over in the Bollinger Bands on the 9s. Okay, red dot, red dot, red dot. Where? Oh, you want a red dot, not a pink dot. Which one's stronger, the red or the pink? That's what I thought.
Bands touch NQ on the 24.
Okay, we're into the bands on the 24, the upper bands.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 44. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 5. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 5.
If it's fast, it's not going to last. $3 a.m. on the dot.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Red dot on the 5s at the 50.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 44. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 5.
Yeah, that's because the NQ just turned, the background on the MACV on the NQ just turned red. Did you take your red arrow there, Ben? Or did it happen too fast?
Fib.NQ on the 5. Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 5.
Good job there, Ben.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 5. Double delta NQ on the 1.
Well, we call that the Titanic zone. Didn't quite reach the top of it for me. Gotcha, Ben. I see it. Yeah, I see it, Ben. Plutonium. Is this the head? Or is it going long now? Right. Okay.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Okay, we're getting ready to retest session highs. And we have new session highs. Coming up on the naked value area high at 639.50. One of these days, I'm going to trust my instincts.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Divergence down NQ on the 24.
But I also saw the argument for going south, Greg. I'm a contrarian. What can I tell you, man? I can rationalize my way in or out of about anything. Just about anything.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
See, there's something, there's always something somewhere. I did not get that enigma on the 5s.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Coming up on king timing on the 5s, but I don't have it. I will tell you, I marked off that Titanic zone up there, Plutonium. On the 5s. I don't know if you can see it on my screen.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
With another green dot on the 5s. On king timing. Continuation. Yeah, I've got the
Fib.NQ on the 9.
it was just a little prick. Just a little prick.
Enigma long on the NQ2.
All right, got Enigma long on the 2s.
Order submitted.
Boy, that was a slipped entry.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Double dot on the 5s.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Exit.
Well, that one went against me. I should never. La, la, la. Absolutely took that in the wrong place.
Order submitted.
Glutton for punishment here. 2-try rule. Let's go.
Divergence down NQ on the 44.
Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Oh, come on, man. Really?
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Enigma long on the NQ1. Should have taken my 20 ticks. Let's go. Thank you, Ben. No, it's not looking good. Again. Second break. Should have taken my 20 ticks. Why didn't it close it out? It didn't close my trade out. So you're saying when you saw the 3 retests of that higher, that upper level, that was telling you, hey, it's rejecting? Because to me, it's telling me, hey, I'm going through on the next push. I did, Cash. I did. Chris, I did. Phone mode right into it. I had it back. No, I see it. I do. Right here. So we tested it once, twice, 3 times. And then practically a 4th time. I was up to here. I could have taken my money. And then it retraced all the way back down and stopped me out. Had an opportunity to pull out here. That was the 24. I didn't get that red Enigma on the 5s.
2-finger NQ on the 24.
You told me not to get in. You told me not to take a short. No, I mean, you told me not to get in. Oh, well. What do you do? Damn it. Okay. I got 3. 3 days. I know, Chris, but man, I called it way down south. Way down south. Like, way down south. Like, I called it right here on that shark, right there. Not right there, but this shark right there. I called it right there. Bam, I called it. And look what it did. All the way up. Now, no way I would have ran it up. I would have probably bailed at target 1, maybe re-entered here. All right. Well, so much for that. Damn it. I even called out the other zone. Dude. You don't mess around with Jim. That's right. Who's Jim? Who's Jim?
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
You know, Chris, I just don't have that in me. I mean, every time I take a knee-jerk reaction, I'm wrong. Every time I overthink something, I've waited too long and I get in way too late. You know, sometimes you just start to think, dude, do I have what it takes to do this? Thanks, Ben. But do I have the chutzpah to act upon it? I mean, wow. I mean, look at that. Way back when. I called it. I mean, okay, so yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Look, the reality of it is, yeah, I was up 150. Now I'm down 275. The reality of it is, that's really $27.50 because I'm just playing it with micros tonight, just because I have not been playing well. I still feel it, rather than just trade sim, I feel like I got to have some skin in the game. And it doesn't matter to me if I'm practicing or if I'm trading a micro or if I'm trading 10 minis. I always treat it the same. I always try to trade the same. I feel like if I wander outside of my strategy, that's when I get burned. If I have one time where I'm successful with a cheat, all of a sudden that becomes the acceptable way and I lose my way. Kind of it drags me out. I guess I see that one bright shiny object, and the empirical evidence to the contrary, my strategy works. My thought process works. Thanks, Greg. It is so easy. It is so easy to get frustrated. You're absolutely right. So anyway, I think I'm going to call it a night here. As I say that, I hear a drum roll. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Greg. I appreciate it. Yeah, George, it really is. There you go. Oh, right. Well, this has been fun. This has been fun. I was only coming in for an hour and a half, and you know, hey, that was what, 8:30. So what? Now we're God Almighty, 7 hours in. Oh, geez. All right, folks. Thanks for coming out. I'm gonna check out. I will be back tonight, no later than 8:30. Let's see how the day goes. Try to get back here sooner. And for all those people that have hung out with us, thank you so much. Appreciate all the support. If you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tell your friends, tell your family.
Double Delta NQ on the 1.
Can't tell you how much you guys mean to me. You guys have a great night, and we will see you not even tomorrow. We'll see you in a few hours. Y'all have a great one. We'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks for coming by.